YouTube video on the Google Antigravity. Guys, so I have built this complete live website for the with help of Google Antigravity. So named it as Lux and Cut and Co. You can see that this is how it looked like. So this is wow. So much of amazing. So I didn't wrote a single line of code, but anti-gravity with help of Google 3.1 Flex model. Okay, that's completely I have built. Okay, I didn't pay a single penny of amount as well. So if you want similar kind of a things, let's say I'm going to add okay. So let's say okay, Sophia Chan. Okay, maybe I'll book it for something else. Maybe 11 o'clock. Yeah. So I'll select the address. Okay. So it okay. Then maybe I'll book for a some needed. Air spa. Okay. Finalists. Guys, see here. So this has built live website. Okay. So you can see this is how it is look workflow. Okay. So there is a dashboard also. Uh, they released by a Google Anti-Gravity, guys. So you can see that this is just a 4 days ago. Google Anti-Gravity is released, and previously there was a Google Anti-Gravity 01, but like it has a lot of come up with built-in features like scheduling the task and the CLI support, and it is a very much competitor to Cloud A and Codex model, OpenAI Codex. If you see, this is a free of cost, guys. Like anyone can be used for the it is free, and we can build any website or blogs, or even you can do a video editing also as part of this Google Anti. So this is insane, guys. Actually, cannot imagine so much of built-in future as bundled as part of Anti Gravity 2.0. Okay, so you can see it. The what is there inside part of this one. So you can do a conversation history, you can see the, and also you can do a scheduling a task, guys. Let's say some of the features are required. Let's say I want to every day morning 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. I want to do a research on the Instagram trending topic, and come up with a prompt and for the social media platform. So I can do that actually. So no need of like see you, if we required actually scheduling, always human intervention is required. But here is the anti gravity is built in like a very much insane property features. We can call it as a scheduling a task. Okay, so if you see, this is scheduling a task, and there are like a lot of features actually. So at the core of still, and also the one more thing, the good about the as part of this anti-gravity is, so you see Cloud A also has supported the agentic agents as part of any, if you give the any task to the Cloud A or open a codex model, so that internally it triggers the agents and sub agents. So that feature also as bundled as part of this anti-gravity 2.0. You can see this, guys, actually. So dynamically sub agents are created. It means that whenever if a complex task is given, so it will take the it creates the sub agents, like splitting let's say some task came to the manager, like how according to the team defines and take the individual part of our work, right? Similarly, here also to complete the goal of the any complex task, sub-agent automatically triggered, and it done the its duty, and also merges the whatever done by the sub-agent. Okay, there will be orchestrator agent which will do the orchestrating, the monitoring the who does the what on the subordinate task, and also collaboration and cooperation as part of also built. Okay, and also there is a asynchronous task management. So this is asynchronous means so fire and forget. So sometimes required, right? Like a synchronous task, always you need to wait for the outcome output of the previous task. Okay, and proceed for the next task. So here is the like asynchronous task means fire and forget. Like rest of things you can proceed. Okay, there is a JSON hook, which is like a very good feature. You can now define the hook in a simple JSON format. Previously, this was not supported, but here is the hook is supported JSON hook. Okay, so guys, this is amazing features of the Google Anti-Gravity. Okay, so you can utilize free of cost, guys. So there are beautiful command or slash command is provided as part of a Google anti-gravity, that is a goal. So this is basically, see, this was also part of a cloud A, and as well as even open codex model. So this is a competitor model for the cloud A, and as well as the open A codex models. Okay, so if you see this one, right, like this I'll explain 1 minute. Before that, like, so let's go to the pricing model of the. Okay. You can see, guys, actually. So if you see this one, right? So pricing is the basically for a pro, like a free. See, the free is given, but it is very limited. The pro version here, $20 at more. It approximately with including GST 2,200 or 2,300 it will come, guys. So you can save the this per monthly basis 2,300 rupees without paying to Cloud. Okay, so let's go to the OpenAI Codex model, how much it is going to charge. Okay, Pro, see, guys. Okay, so price is basically approximately Pro GPT version is almost 10,000, guys. See, that's not beauty of the Google anti-gravity. So Google anti-gravity is to compete with them. So like now it has provided the free of cost, and we can utilize for the building any app, guys. Okay, so let's deep dive into this one. So as I mentioned, right, there are beautiful command is provided by goals, grill me, schedule, and browse. These are the very good features, guys, actually. So this is the recently launched, previously launched Google Anti-Gravity 1.0. It is launched on the November 2025. So let's deep dive into how to utilize the best features of the anti-gravity. So let's download. I'm going to Google. Type at the Google. Download on Google. Okay, anti-gravity 2.0 download. Okay, yeah. So it is providing. Okay, it is landing. So you can see that, guys. So there are you can download the anti-gravity for the Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So I'm on the Windows laptop, so that's why I'm going to do that. I'm going to download. 1 second, guys. So it has downloaded, guys, actually. So let's see the how to, like, I need to install, right? So I'll install. By the time installing, so it is loading, guys. So it started installing. So let's see. So this is a, yeah. So it has installed. So I was using the Google Antigravity 1.0. So I wanted to build a new project using the CS. There are, like, if you see this one, right? These are the free model which is given by a Google Antigravity. See, it has even part of a built-in Sonnet model, open like Opus 4.6. Wow, and GPT OSS 12 MB medium. Insane, guys, actually. So even Gemini Pro I end model is there. So I'll explain. See, whenever you see too much complex task is there, you can prefer for the Cloud Opus 4.6 and Cloud Sonata 4.6. And if you are like a reasoning task is there, we can go with the Gemini, guys. If you want to code like very much complex task, we should go with a cloud opesa 4.6. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to start the new project actually. To I don't want to waste my time. So let's go here. Okay. So I'm going to create a new project. Okay, new project. Add as a maybe see before jumping in, right, let's take the some of a topic which is very like a D2C famous website actually. I have one prompt actually which is basically I can share with you guys actually. So yeah, let's go to Gemini and ask the come up with a 10 beautiful ideas for the building my D2C like a direct to consumer website. Okay, so for that I'm going to get the top ideas. See, guys. So this is a top ideas from the Gemini suggested. This is on 2026. You can build anything actually. So I'm going to choose like say longevity, blockchain tech. So this might become in future. So let's focus on the luxury circulation, functional nutrition. Okay, adaptive home offices, clean beauty, and water skinness. Okay, so let's take the basically clean beauty and waterless skincare. So this one, you copy this same exactly whatever this one. Go to ChatGPT. Type as a I need a professional professional prompt. Okay, prompt to do for building. Okay, so type as it is and copy paste. So it will give the prompt actually. We'll copy the prompt from here. Okay. So yeah, so this has already see guys actually how it is given actually. So it has world class team consistent senior product manager UX researcher and what is the role? So Shopify plus architect senior React and Next.js this one. So the being as part of this role you need like indicates that while building any app you behave like a senior product manager UX researcher and Shopify architect and senior React Next.js engineer senior UI developer like that and do work it is mentioning. Okay, so this is so I'll get these are the properties actually. See you guys actually. So let's go here. So give me final prompt. A final prompt. Final prompt. Okay. So that I'll copy and paste. Okay. Um, yeah, it will go. It is going to give the final prompt. So yes, copy paste method. So now we can use this one. See zero bugs and zero broken functionality, zero build errors, TypeScript error, iPhone. Wow, amazing, guys. So just like go do a research on the use Gemini or ChatGPT for the get the like a top trending topics of whatever if you want to build. So then use the same ChatGPT or Gemini to get the prompt and uh, utilize with a anti-gravity, guys. So let's go here. So I'm going to copy. So I copied. Now I'll go here. Okay. So I'm going to add a new project. Maybe this is already there. Okay, let's type the same thing. Okay, so created this one. Okay, So let's build it actually. So we'll use the not Gemini Flash actually. We'll use the uh, let's see. Okay, let it use the same model as of now. So mm. so now it is building, guys. Yes. When I copy pasted the prompt from the basically from the ChatGPT to anti-gravity, so you can see that. So we like go to the anti-gravity. Like I created a folder and also copy pasted this one, right? So it has come up with the implementation plan. You can see that how this implementation plan has come up, and so because of it has built-in agent feature, right? So you can see that this has come even proposed architectural overview also. You can see there is a architectural diagram was also created. Okay, so it is wow, guys. This is amazing and beautiful of a way in which it is driving is very beautiful and also in very nice manner. Because so in any task, right, in generally as a architect or any person, if you want to do the task is first they'll plan, right, implementation plan. So similarly here also it does the implementation plan before going to implement the entire the beautiful that saloon website actually. So you can see that this has even what are the things like a view shop is there, view a analysis and view ingredient and sustainability and also roles. Okay, and also it has like there is a copy script models and Santala glow powder cleanser. Okay, acrobic super active seas concentrate. Okay, so this is like Sony product which is part of this website. What is the main important things that is focused, and also it has come up with a plan, guys. So what we'll do is let's proceed to implement. I can say that actually. So we'll say okay, yeah. Guys, when I said that start implementing, so it has already implemented. This is how it look like. Okay. So it has created so many pages, index HTML, styles JSS, package JSON, servers, zero dependencies, and the Node.js. Okay. So everything it has created, and also it is saying, so even like there is a there are identified risk actually, but it's fine. So we go ahead and start the demo. Okay. So this was a plan, like an implementation plan. I went ahead and created. Okay, so it is this is how it is created. So let's say like application is live or not. So I'll do things. Okay, go to the power for this one. What is instructed? Okay, so I'm going there. I'm saying okay. So let's go to that folder only where I created. Okay, so should not be a go to the D drive. Okay, so where is it has written? Okay, anti-gravity workspace. Okay, so okay, strike rate is there. 1 second, guys. Let me open the it is created. Okay, so here it is created, guys. So let's open there only. Okay, okay. So think, yeah, guys. So server is running. You can see that how it has created. So let's open in the browser. We can see it. Actually. Yes, control shift. Ah, yeah, I mean, see here. So the basically the name of the website is Let's Cut actually and Co. Okay. So what are the things it is created? Okay. So if you want to reserve the session, okay, and see here, the executive sees a cut actually $95. Okay. but this is it has designed using the dollar only. We can modify it, guys, actually. So see here, everything is working. So you can see here. Let's say a gold, silk, air, spa. I'm going. See how it is going. Wow, guys. See here. Amazing, amazing. Okay. So okay. So next I'm going to select this car and I'm continuing. Okay. So let's say tomorrow I'm going to schedule maybe Wednesday, maybe 1 o'clock. Wow. Guys, see, confirm appointment. Fully working condition of the reservation of the saloon, like basically Lux Cut and Co. Okay, so you can design, and this is how fully working condition of the using the Google anti-gravity. So what else you need, guys? Actually, so everything is built fraction of a second. Okay, no need of any the web designer, web developer actually. So this is all done by Google anti-gravity. Thanks to Google anti-gravity, so much amazing. I cannot like see everything is finally is booking. So you can fill it and do it. So let's see what the phone number. Okay, yeah, needed. Okay, something. Guys, see guys, it has generated also. You need to pay amount. Continue for another booking. Wow, guys, see this is how it has created. Amazing. So let's go to the style page, and you can see that architectural like what are the things are like primary concern or beauty goal actually. See it. Okay. Guys, see it. Amazing. So okay. What are the specialist you booked? Okay. See guys, beautiful, amazing dashboard also built. Wow. Wow guys. Amazing dashboard also built. So what are the styling percentage, pan treatment, cursor? Okay. Wow. Amazing guys. See here, this much of it is built, and this is total revenue generated, ARPC and the average invoices, and this is a satisfaction rating. Mm. Fully working condition of the website which is designed. Okay. See guys. Wow. Amazing. Amazing guys. See here. Wow. So what else you want, guys? So sorry, this is a reservation. Just now I booked, uh, and then there are quizzes involved, and then these are the things which has already customers here now. Or you state, okay. So this is how built in, like the graph also is built. Thanks to anti Google Gravity, and